Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated cameras from Fujifilm's iconic X series lineup, the X100VI. Known for blending classic aesthetics with cutting-edge technology, the X100 series has built a loyal following, and this latest model promises to take things to another level. In this video, we'll explore the design, features, and capabilities that make the Fujifilm X100VI a must-see. The first thing you'll notice is the X100VI's timeless design, staying true to its heritage with a modern twist. It's compact, lightweight, and fits comfortably in your hands, making it perfect for on-the-go photography. Now, let's talk about the X100VI key features. One of the standout upgrades is the newly developed 26-megapixel X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor. This sensor is paired with Fujifilm's renowned color science, delivering images that are rich in detail and true to life. The X100VI also features a fast and sharp fixed 23mm f2 lens, ideal for street photography, landscapes, and portraits. The X100VI's autofocus system has been fine-tuned as well, offering faster and more accurate performance in a variety of lighting conditions. With its high ISO capabilities and wide aperture, shooting in challenging lighting conditions is no longer a problem. Another feature that sets the X100VI apart is the advanced hybrid viewfinder, offering both optical and electronic options. This gives you the flexibility to switch between a traditional optical viewfinder for a more natural shooting experience and an electronic viewfinder for precise framing and exposure. For video enthusiasts, the X100VI also offers 4K video recording at 30 frames per second. This is a significant upgrade for content creators who want the option to shoot high-quality videos alongside still photography. In addition to its stellar image and video performance, Fujifilm has packed the X100VI with smart features like advanced film simulations, allowing you to recreate the look of classic film stocks right in the camera. The X100VI also comes with a range of customizable buttons and dials, giving you easy access to the settings you use most often. With its intuitive layout and customizable options, this camera is built to adapt to your shooting style, making every shot feel natural and effortless. The X100VI carries on the legacy of the X series while introducing meaningful upgrades that elevate your photography experience. From its advanced sensor to its versatile lens and hybrid viewfinder, this camera is designed for those who want the best of both worlds: portability and power. Whether you're shooting photos or videos, the Fujifilm X100VI delivers results that are bound to impress. Be sure to stay tuned for more in-depth reviews, comparisons, and tutorials as we explore all the possibilities this camera has to offer. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.